Hi, welcome or welcome back. If you're looking to create beautiful, professional presentations, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI, the powerful tool that helps you build an entire presentation in minutes. Whether you're leading a workshop, pitching a new idea, or showing up for your community, this is a simple way to bring your design to life without getting overwhelmed. Let's get started. All right, so we are on Canva's dashboard. Again, because this is AI, we are going to hit the Canva AI button right in the top part of the dashboard. You could go about this a few ways. I'm going to do it the easiest way, which is Design for Me. And as you see, you clicked on Design for Me. One of the first things that comes up is design a presentation, and that's exactly what we are going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and hit design presentation. And for this example, I am going to ask Canva to create a pitch deck, share with 3 potential investors for my new fitness app that I'm putting together. So I have been very specific in this prompt because I want to see how good Canva is with putting together this pitch deck. Now, this is just an example of something that I am creating, but if you do have a specific pitch deck that you're looking for, this is a great test run to see how specific you need to get in order to help Canva create not only a good template for you to use, but also be able to actually put together those slides for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click submit, and we will see what Canva comes up with. All right, so we have a few options here. So if we hover over every design, it will automatically show you the different slides within each presentation. So I'm not really loving the first one. The second one is a bit too fluffy for my taste and just thinking of what investors would want to see. This third one could be a potential winner if I take out some of the design work, but let's see what other option we have. What I am going to do is hit this refresh button to have Canva give me some more designs since I don't really love any of them. So let's see what it comes up with. This one could work. I think this is a much better deck overall, and the design is pretty seamless. So I'm just going to review. I already don't like the second one, definitely not the third one. So yeah, I am happy with this new design that Canva has put together for me. So what I can do from here is click inside, just take a look at what is included again, and really decide if this is something that I want to use. And again, because we were very specific about what the pitch deck is covering, as you can see, there are the basic sections within a pitch deck that you would commonly see, but there's also information that it auto-generated based on what the product is that you would be pitching. Now, again, this is an overview. We can go through how you would edit to actually input your information because, again, you wouldn't want to use this word for word. The one thing that I do want to show you that is possible within this specific presentation, the one thing that I do want to show you is that you can change the color from this section right here before even going into Canva Editor. So if you hit color at the top of your screen, you can see that this design specifically has a bunch of different color combinations that you would be able to choose from to keep it more on brand for you, or just switch it up if you are not loving what was originally provided. I don't hate this color, but I just want to show you all what is possible. So the minute that you select a different colorway, you can automatically see how Canva will update your slides and make them into a different color. And I honestly am not upset about this colorway, so I'm gonna keep it. And from here, I could do one of two things. If I wanted to make some more updates to my pitch deck with prompting, I would be able to go back into the prompt, ask it to update whatever I wanted to update. We have our new presentation here put together using AI. Now, some things to note: if we want to find new images, this is where going to elements and asking the AI image generator to create an image of a woman working out using a fitness app. Let's see what it comes up with. Very much, I would say this is the only one that is somewhat realistic. These other two are a little bit too cartoonish for my style. And so that's some things to know. Again, Canva's AI is still a work in progress. So if you have images already from a sample pitch deck that you put together, or just from something that you have created already in terms of having that content, this is where you would be able to update and add those in, as well as any of the text in here is completely customizable. The animations, if you want to animate the slides in a certain way, you can also magically do that by using their new magic animate feature, as well as just updating any of the slides or pie charts that are in here to make it more in alignment with whatever it is that you would be showing. So this is how you create a simple presentation using Canva AI. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel to get notifications about when I post another video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Tune in next week as we go over how to use Canva AI to create documents. See you on the next one.